Hi Sagittarius, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and let's do our first love read for the month. Let's see how you're feeling, how your person is feeling, and what action we can expect in this connection now, Sagittarius. And these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you out there. Please take what works for you, leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Sagittarius and send them the messages they need to hear the most right now. Thank you. So Saggis, let's start your reading. Welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for being here again. And Saggis, if you're new here, we welcome you as well. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. So Saggis, two sets of cards, newbies. Let me explain this. One side is for you, one side is for your person, and in the center I'll have your mutual energies, your dialogue cards, action cards, etc. But for the duration of the reading, for me this is person A, this is going to be person B. If this is your story, you'll know which side you resonate best with, right? Okay. Action for person A and action for person B. Alright, bottom of my deck, Sagittarius, is the Ten of Swords. Now this is painful. I don't know who's going through this. I'm just going to keep this here and take a look at the cards. Okay. Sagittarius, there is somebody here on person A's side who's being a bit emotionally manipulative. They are not really in the best mood. I don't know. The other person is kind of concerned about the no communication or whatever communication has taken place. They feel that person is not putting in work. So let's see. Saggis, before I start talking too much about this read, let's take some dialogue message cards. Let's see if you guys could say something to each other, what that would be, and then we'll start our reading. Sagittarius and their person spirit, if they could say something to each other now, what would that be? Sagittarius and their person. Sagittarius and their person. Sagittarius and their person spirit. They could say something to each other. All right. Let's take a few more from here, Saggis. Sagittarius and their person. All right. Good to go, Sagittarius. Let's start your reading. The first card here says, how can you love me after I effed everything up with our connection? I'll always remember you. You are unforgettable. This lifetime didn't work out. Hopefully I can do better next lifetime. You make me so nervous. Sometimes it's hard to breathe. I'm trying to be the person that you see me to be. I never thought I could be that person. Are you sorry for hurting me? I intuitively know that we will unite in divine timing. The last one here says, I really didn't think we were compatible at first. I see that we are now. So Saggis, if these are resonating with your storyline, let's start your reading. I'm going to start with an angel blessing card. Let's see what my angels want to say to you. Blessing, guidance, advice, or a message. Blessing, guidance. Yes, there is a pause going on in this connection. I could see that with the Ten of Swords, which was like very painful, thinking things are over, things are lost, ended. But Spirit is kind of seconding that right now, at least for the time being, there is a pause going on. Okay, so let's start. I'm going to start with the energies of person A, Sagittarius. Let's see what they're going through. Then we'll do the other side. King of Cups, why are you in reverse? Why are you feeling like that, King of Cups? King of Cups. This person is not in the right, you know. They don't, I don't know, I'm getting that energy of a listless person. I don't want to fight for this connection. This connection is anyways coming to an end. I don't feel that. One more card, Spirit, for the King of Cups. Why is the King of Cups feeling this miserable? Why? Look at this. So overburdened, so overwhelmed, feeling the lack of love, yet not wanting to fight for the connection, feeling they've lost their person, wanting to return because they're not happy, and yet feeling burdened by, I don't know what this person is doing. Why are they in this such split kind of... they don't feel, they don't think they can reconcile or work things out. Maybe they feel that they have to make a choice, they have to make a decision regarding that, and that's not making them very happy. Yes, maybe a decision regarding whether they, their person could have asked them for a commitment, or, I know, are you serious? And that kind of burdens this person. They do want to come back. They're not happy that their person is upset with them. They feel ungrounded without their person, and yet burdened by the fact that they may have to make a decision. The Sun in reverse. Sun in reverse. Yes, things have stopped moving, right? Things have stopped moving right now, and that doesn't make them feel very happy. They feel they are being asked upon to do the right thing or give up on this connection, and they don't want to make that choice, I think. Yes, the choice could be drop this connection or commit. Now they are stuck. Now this person is stuck between two choices for their life. Should I, should I not? They don't want to be put in a position where they have to choose to be happy one way or the other. What happened in the recent past, Spirit? Why is this person feeling this way? Empress in reverse, sorry. Empress in reverse. Somebody made some unwise decisions, was a bit immature, maybe broke promises, and their partner stopped communicating with them. Yes, they was stopped and ended this connection. Some communication stopped, there was some betrayal, some ending. This Empress decided, hey, I don't want this anymore. You are not making a wise decision for us. Somebody was rejected, or somebody broke some promise here, which created this no communication. Knight of Cups in reverse, Spirit. Knight of Cups in reverse. Somebody was kind of not wanting to go, the right direction. They were trying to delay having to make a decision, maybe. They had a lot of love. King of Cups did have a lot of love, but they were being a bit emotionally manipulative, maybe. And because they didn't want to express their love, they thought the best way to come out of this position would be to appear cold or distant, or be matter of fact, which kind of pissed their Empress off. And the Empress said, all right, if you're going to be like this, then I don't want to talk to you either. Now this person is feeling miserable. How does person A see this connection, Spirit, now, or this person? Ten of Swords in reverse. They feel they want to come towards person B now. They want to charge towards person B. They do want to come back, but they don't want the burden which comes along with it. You understand? There is some responsibility they have to take. And for that reason, this person hasn't yet come forward. They haven't apologized. They haven't given that love offer. See, Page of Cups in reverse, clarified by the Page of Cups in reverse. That there's a reason why this person is not offering any apology or any love, because as much as they want to come back, they don't want to be burdened maybe with the responsibility, as this person is a promise breaker. They just flirt and they want things to be kept light. They don't want to be put in a position where they have to make a choice or a decision. They don't want, even though they know that they love person B, that person B could be a soulmate, they are not sure whether they want to give up their independence or, have a brand new beginning. Whoever person is kind of making some very foolish choices in their life. They want to keep it light. They don't want the responsibility. I love you, I want to be with you, and why are you asking me to do things like take responsibility or commit? So what action person A will take, I'll open later. Let's go on to the other side and see what's happening. 8 of Wands in reverse. Person B is not talking. They feel you guys probably have had a fight. Maybe some words have been exchanged where they feel my person is rude, they're rash, they're immature, they just say whatever they want to, and they do it because they want power over me. It's always their way or the highway. So some kind of conflict has happened where person B has now stopped kind of communicating. 8 of Pentacles in reverse. 8 of Pentacles in reverse. Yes, they're not happy because nobody's putting in the work here. See, 8 of Pentacles, somebody working towards, building a relationship or something. But the person B is very disappointed. They say, what, you stopped? Little bit you did and then you stopped. I mean, there's nobody investing or trying to make this into the 10 of Pentacles, that commitment, that happily ever after. So person B is quite disappointed that person A has stopped putting in work, not investing. In fact, showing them a very bad side of them, by creating unnecessary fights and words. So what happened in the recent past, Spirit, for person B to be feeling this way? Emperor in reverse. Yes, I think the person behaved in a very controlling manner, which forced person B to kind of retreat, take a step back, and that kind of led to some kind of like a stagnancy in this connection. Person B could be resting or healing or taking care of themselves, trying to de-stress themselves at the moment. Yes, see, Emperor in reverse is clarified by the Emperor in reverse. I mean, so much control, Sagittarius. I don't know which side you're on. Always wanting to have the last word, and it's the way I will say things will be done. I think person B has retreated now to take some time out. So there's a bit of pause going on in their connection. How does person B now see this connection or perceive person A? Person B wants to be given that offer. They still want that offer to be treated with respect of, an equal partner, the Queen of Pentacles. They have a lot of love to give. They want to be that loving, kind, nurturing person and they want to kind of have victory in this connection even now. Queen of Pentacles, Spirit, say something to us. Queen of Pentacles, what do you want? Queen of Pentacles says, this connection has become so imbalanced. I'm not shown the love. All I want them is to choose me. Like, out of all these cups, make a choice, make a decision. I'm getting drained out here. I want to be in their life for the long haul. I want to be the one chosen to be their, partner. But all they show me is very immature energy. Yes, the passion is great, the sex is great, they are exciting to me, I love them, but what about the love? I don't feel the love from them. 6 of Wands, Spirit. 6 of Wands. Yes, they want to feel victorious in this connection. They want somebody to put in the work in this connection. Otherwise, if there is no work put in, then person B is kind of losing hope that, a future is even possible. This is what they want, an equal partnership, an equal give and take, somebody who's going to put in the work into this connection and not just, they want victory in this connection, and for them this matters, which they're not feeling at the moment. They feel an offer for longevity of this connection is not an offer. So person A, will you take any action now? Three of Pentacles. Okay, so why is that an action? Why is that an action? Okay, why is that an action? They could be holding back maybe. Yes, this person is holding back with excuses of work maybe. I'm very busy at work. Inside them they are feeling quite abandoned themselves, but they're doing this to their person, maybe pretending that they don't have time, holding back. Because why? Because they know that they have to make a choice. So they're trying to delay it by maybe excuses of work or something. Let's see, person B, will you take any action? Person B has already made their choice. The Lovers in reverse. They already know what they want. They're feeling very unloved at the moment. They don't like the way person A is behaving with them, keeping them at bay, holding back, leaving them out in the cold. Person B is feeling very emotionally drained at the moment, but still, heart of hearts, waiting for a revival of this connection. Because in their heart, they've already made their choice. They're just waiting for the other person to reciprocate. Am I right, Spirit? Person B? Anything else? Yes, they are they are quite obsessed with this connection. They feel a very strong sexual maybe connection to person A. They are just waiting for this fight to end. So that you guys can be on the same page. Person A, anything from you? Any action? Any action? Person A still is happy by themselves. They want their 9 cups. They are happy with less happiness in their life. They don't want the 10 of cups. You see this person? 9 cups, my arms are folded. I'm happy with the way things are. Even though they are not completely happy, I'm happy because they're not completely happy, because that keeps me off the hook. The 10th cup is with this Queen of Cups. So they're holding back even now. The pause goes on. What else can I say? I'm sorry, Sagittarius, your readings have been a bit slow. I'm sure things will change one way or the other, but please don't feel devastated if this is you. Please remember, everything changes, okay? Everything changes. The only constant in life is change. So that's all I have for you, Sagittarius. Till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.